Hello, I'm Priyanka. I'm working in Contentsquare from 2018 as a QA manager, which is part of the R&D team. We have approximately 32 people in the team so far, from 11 different nationalities, from different specific stacks, for example, front-end, back-end, mobile, and etc. I have also been part of the recruitment process, so my basic roles was to recruit the QA members and then develop the quality control processes, different standards across multiple different product units and so on. I have seen Contentsquare from 2 QA to become a team of 32 people, and I'm sure many more to grow. It's been an amazing journey with Contentsquare. Contentsquare was always been very proactive about the quality. That means they do not only want to deliver a feature to the client, but also deliver a quality feature. So that's already a very good mindset for a company, which helped us to create a good QA team over the time. About the challenges, we have quite a lot of challenges, but I would like to highlight two major challenges for this year. The first thing is in the QA team, we were doing more automation on the end-to-end. That means that it's automation on a real environment, on the real data and so on. That it's very slower in nature and it takes time, it's flaky, it's not very robust. So what we are doing, we are applying a shift left strategy. That means we will convert a lot of our test cases from E2E to integration and unit test. That means the major challenge over here, QAs were very focused into testing from the end user's perspective, but now they will have to know how the developers are developing the product. Means they will need to read and understand developers' code to be able to write some integration tests. So it's a challenge for our existing team member. They will need to be more technically skilled, so it's a bit of a challenge. The second challenge is that we are very stack oriented, meaning the people who knows front end, they are specialists in front end, other people are specialists in back end, but it's not very scalable for a company over the period of time. So we are now moving towards full stack QA concept, meaning that front end QA should be able to do the back end also, and back end QA will be able to do the front end also. Again, it's a bit of a challenge as you need to shift the whole team of 30-40 people and train them into the cross stacks. Could be a challenge, but we are looking forward for it. We know that this whole year is going to be quite technically challenged for us. We are looking for people who has knowledge in Python for our backend, who has knowledge in Selenium, WebDriver IO with TypeScript, Angular, Vue.js, etc. In terms of soft skill, we would prefer that if the candidate is flexible and a quick learner and have a good motivation and team spirit is always welcome, because we believe that hire the character and build the skill. Company is highly investing in in-house training to the people who even do not know the language and can learn it from the company. We are providing lots of training and etc. I think it's kind of a motivation or a compliment for us that one of my 3 months old newbie told to my 2 days old newbie that you joined the right company. Every day in Contentsquare is a learning for me. So I think if we want the same kind of platform, it's the right company.